This whole idea of creating classes, instantiating them, calling methods, retrieving attributes, these are all part of a programming paradigm called object-oriented programming. So Python is just one of the many languages that are, deemed object-oriented. So in Python specifically, every variable name you create is an object. All objects have a type. These types are defined by classes, and inside the classes is where you find out, what kind of functionality they have, what kind of methods that can be called, what kind of attributes they have, how they can be used with different operators. So it is this object that is central in Python. Python also allows for different, programming styles like functional programming, but it is, so it's called a multi-paradigm language. Is not just object-oriented, but whenever we are creating classes, instantiating them, calling these methods, this is really where we focus in on this term object-oriented programming. So it's just one term to sort of keep in mind as you're going through this. You'll hear this a lot. Python is certainly an object-oriented programming language. You can read about it more here in the Wikipedia article that I have linked.